Welcome to Bethel Online Education Hub. Learn anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Let's learn together, the Bethel way.
Lesson 15, Media and Information Literacy, Motion, Information, and Media. Motion is described as the act of moving or being moved from one place to another to the next or changing position. So, kung paano ba siya gumalaw or ilipat ng pwesto. Motion media is a media communication that provides the presence of spatial movement, of text and images, collections of images, and footages. So, tinatawag siyang motion media kasi gumagalaw siya. For example, kung alam nyo, yung mga cartoons na pinapanood nyo, drawing yan sa umpisa, tapos gamit ang motion media, gagalaw siya mula sa drawing. Motion information is a file or clip that is created using motion media, utilized as a support to visual tracking of a certain thing or object. So, itong motion information, siya naman yung clip na gumagawa ng motion media. So, kagaya nung sabi ko kanina, 'di ba, yung mga cartoons na pinapanood nyo o kaya pinapanood ng mga anak nyo, drawing yan sa umpisa. Tapos gagamit sila ng motion media and also motion information para gumalaw yung mga drawings na yun dun mismo sa harap ng camera or sa harap ng TV. Characteristics of motion media: it transfers messages to many people, delivers the same message to the audience, and it is multi-sensory. So, pag sinabi mong motion media, mas madali kasing mag-provide or magbigay ng message sa ibang tao gamit ang motion media. Kagaya ng mga pelikula na pinapalabas. Ano ba yung mga message na gusto nilang i-provide? Tapos, kung ano yung nilalaman kasi ng motion media, yun yung message na napaparating nila sa audience nila. Multisensory, so nakikita to ng mata nyo, nadidinig ng tenga ninyo, tapos yung mga messages na yun na nare-receive ng mata ninyo at saka ng tenga ninyo, pumupunta siya sa brains. Sa brains siya tinatranslate kung tungkol saan ba yung nakikita ninyo sa motion media or nadidinig ninyo. Other characteristics: it's formal, influential channels of communication, contributors in behavior and attitude alteration, discuss important issues, persons, organizations, or social movements. So, di ba pag halimbawa, nanonood tayo ng mga cartoons na galing sa drawing, na i-influensyahan kasi nila tayo eh. Paano? Kasi nadadrag yung attention natin. Siguro meron sa inyo mahilig dyan manood ng One Piece o kaya mahilig manood ng cartoons every weekends. So, yun yung influence na nakukuha natin sa kanila. Tapos, yung mga napapanood kasi natin na to, nag-a-add din to sa behavior natin at sa attitude natin. Depende sa kung paano ba natin siya maa-adapt. And then, since napapanood nyo siya, nadidinig nyo siya, nalalaman nyo kung importante ba yung mga dinidiscuss nilang messages o yung mga ideas na pinoprovide nila sa inyo. Pwede kasing yung mga napapanood natin or yung mga motion information na nakukuha natin, nakakatulong sa atin or nakakasama. Production of motion media. It's informal, created by people just for personal consumption. And there is also formal, made by professionals such as film directors who follow the standards of the industry. So, informal, ibig sabihin, gusto lang nila. Gusto lang gumawa ng ganitong video, gusto lang gumawa ng ganitong palabas. Kapag naman formal, pwede ito yung mga film directors na gumagawa ng pelikula kasi may nagsusupport sa kanila. Tapos, they make it as their profession or ito na yung career nila, paggawa ng motion media. Formats of motion media: una sa film, a series of moving graphics or images. So ito yung mga pelikula. Television, transmitting and receiving visual images and sounds that are reproduced on screen. So ito naman yung mga napapanood nyo sa TV. Interactive video, a kind of digital video that involves the user's interaction and participation. So, ito naman yung pwede kang sumali sa ginagawa nila. Although nagka-video sila, o kaya napapanood mo lang sila sa screen. And then others such as internet and mobile phone or cell phone. What are the sources of motion media? So first is internet, universal computer network that delivers a variety of information and communication facilities. Film and television studies, a place where films, TV shows, and broadcast productions are produced. So example, GMA7, TV5, ABS-CBN. And then broadcast channels, computer-generated number over which a broadcast network is disseminated. Video channels, online media sharing or streaming service. So pwedeng YouTube, pwedeng TikTok, library, room that contains collections of books. So books is also a source of motion media kasi may mga pictures yan. Sa broadcast channel, add ko lang. So ito yung kagaya sa radyo. So, sila naman yung nagge-generate ng broadcast para sa inyo. Yung mga drama sa radyo, kaya yung mga balita. Example din siya ng motion media. How will you know if credible ba yung information na nakukuha nyo sa motion media? So, check nyo yung validity niya. Kung na-peer review ba na siya, kung na-prove ba nila na tama yun, or may pinanggagalingan yung information, and then yung source, determine if the video is actual footage of the event. So, saan ba siya nakuha? Sino ang source? Relationship of the author to the event. We need to learn if the author has first-hand knowledge about the event. So, kung ano man yung idea or messages or information na gusto niyang ipalating, ano ba yung relationship nung gumawa doon sa mismong pinaka-idea, event, or message. Technical methods of detecting fake video. So, yung smoothness, lighting coverage, scale, and size. So, madali lang namang i-detect kung totoo ba yung video or fake siya. So, kung makinis ba, maganda yung pagkakakuha, maliwanag ba yung mga ilaw, and then kung yung laki ba niya or yung size ba niya ay appropriate, depende sa video na pinapalabas. Advantage of motion media. It provides better mastery of the process, display the procedures in detail and sequence, allow for harmless observation, capture motion in a manner that can be viewed over and over again. So, para lang yung kagaya nito, yung mga videos na present namin sa inyo, isa siyang form ng motion media. So, pwede siyang mag-act para ma-master nyo yung bawat lesson kasi pwede nyo siyang ulit-ulitin. Tapos, may numbering siya. Kaya, mapagsusunod-sunod nyo yung bawat sequence ng gusto nyong pag-aralan. Other advantages are it contribute in molding personal and social attitudes, provide problem-solving skills for the viewers, promote cultural understanding and appreciation, establish harmony among the people with different cultural backgrounds. There are advantages, there are also limitations. It cannot be interrupted by the viewers, unsuitable for other topics that are presented best using stagnant pictures, subject to misinterpretation, especially for younger audiences who lacks maturity, more expensive than other forms of visual media. So, may limitations din siya. Halimbawa kasi pag pinapanood mo, hindi mo may interrupt eh. Hindi mo matatanong kung tama ba to, mali ba to. Tapos may mga topics kasi doon na yun at yun lang yung nakikita, hindi siya nababago. And then, sa lahat ng form ng media, ito yung pinaka-expensive. Kasi para ka nang gumagawa ng pelikula kapag sinabi mo motion media. In summary, motion information in media is a form of media that utilizes moving text, graphics, and video footage to communicate messages and information. It is essentially visual media that gives the viewer the appearance of continuous movement by rapidly displaying a sequence of still images.